In front of me is a Lenovo Tab4, 8 inches, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously to get started you will want to open up settings. From here scroll all the way down to backup and reset and choose factory data reset, and this will give you a message that performing this process will remove all the provided things right here. So we have Google accounts, downloaded apps, music, photos, user data, and so on. So obviously if you want to keep some of those stuff, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. And if you don't want to back it up, then simply disregard what I said and proceed by tapping on reset tablet. As you can see, we do also have the backup before factory settings. I'm going to deselect it because I don't want to back it up, and then I can progress further. If you have some kind of screen lock, screen protection, you will need to confirm it. I do have a pattern right here, so I'm going to draw it. If you don't have anything, it will automatically jump to this page instead. And from here, select erase everything. This will begin the process, and it will take probably like 5 minutes or so to finish up. Once it has, we will then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finally finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.